Hey guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Ebony Explains It All, and today I'm going to give you a very quick short review on this $5 UV lamp that I got from Five Below. Okay, so I ordered this mini LED UV light from Five Below a few weeks ago. Of course, it was $5. It might still be online. If it is, I'll leave the link in the description so you can see it. I first want to say that I was being very lazy when I was doing my nails, and I did not actually film me using the light, but I'll just tell you how it works anyways. So on my nails, I did the Apris nail gel extension kit. So I used the UV lamp that they put in the kit, which is kind of flimsy and cheap. I used that and I put all these nails on. Then I did white polish, and then I did some just regular white polish, and then I did the floss gloss on top for these colors. So I used the UV lamp from Five Below to cure the top of these nails, to do a top coat on these nails, and then also this is a gel polish and this is gel polish too. So I used the lamp to finish all my nails after I had finished using the Apris nail system. And honestly, the $5 lamp from Five Below worked great. I didn't have any issues with it except for one, but other than that, it really was just a matter of me knowing how to paint the gel on my nails correctly. So it does kind of look a little off because it's a beginner. I'm a beginner at it, but it worked great. It wasn't sticky. It was a tiny bit sticky, but I just used alcohol and wiped it off. But that could have just been because of the gel polish that I used. So other than that, it worked great. So the only problem I ran into was the button on the back. You're supposed to press it once for 45 seconds and twice for 60 seconds for the light to stay on. When I press it twice, the light just goes off. So that was my only complaint about this. So honestly, if you are looking for a UV LED lamp to do your gel nails or to cure on your gel extensions, this $5 thing worked great. It is very lightweight and kind of flimsy, so I would be careful and keep it in the box just so you don't ruin it. You can kind of hear like the lights shaking, moving when I move it. So it is pretty cheap, but it did work out really well. And I'm actually glad I got it because the UV light that's in the Apris nail kit is very cheap as well. So if that one doesn't work, I'll have this back up. And this thing is also big enough for you can squeeze your feet under them. Even if you have really big feet like me and La Cienega Boulevard, your feet should pretty much still fit under here and work, and you can put gel polish on your toes. So I do absolutely recommend this product. Is great for $5. It is great because we're not going to the nail salons. Well, I won't be going, even though I really do miss getting my nails professionally done. They've been closed. So this is a good alternate option until you can get back to getting your nails done, or until you feel safe going like me. So it's a great option. Definitely will recommend. 10 out of 10. In the comments below, let me know if you guys have found any other great beauty products from Five Below. A while ago, I found these really cute stickers to go on your eyes. They're from the Halloween collection, but I'll still put them, part of them right on my eyes. They're like cat eyes. It's really, really cute. Let me know if you guys have found any other great products from them that works. Also, don't forget to subscribe, and thanks for watching.